Hey guys, it's Tiger Lily here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool slimy slime. So this isn't really like putty, it's more of like slime, although it breaks apart. So let's get started. So the materials you will need is some school glue, a bowl, a fork, and a bowl, a cup of warm water, and some borax. So let's get started. So first we're going to make our borax mixture. So what you'll need to get your cup filled with some water and put as much borax, a tablespoon of borax. So when you add your tablespoon of borax, you're going to take your fork and mix it together. Once all the borax is dissolved, you're going to set that aside and bring over your glue in your bowl. So you're going to bring your bowl over and your fork. You're going to put as much glue as you need. So I'm going to attempt making mine sparkly blue. So if you want, you can add some dyes, and so I'm going to add, since I don't have dyes, I'm going to add some sparkly blue paint. So I got the paint in, and now I'm going to take my fork and mix it together. I have a feeling this just might work. So once you mix that together, you're going to slowly mix it and add in your borax. So you're just going to put in as much as you need until it gets a very good slimy texture. Again, you can also add some sparkles if you're glitter glue or... So yeah, I should have said this at the beginning, but you can add glitter glue, clear glue, but all I had was just normal school glue. Any glue would really work with this. So mine didn't really turn out so sparkly or blue, so I'm just going to add a bit more paint. So I just added more paint, and so you're just going to take it and just play with it for a while until it dries or until it's your slimy texture. So I just finished it, and so if you're using paint, make sure to clean out your bowl before it dyes your bowl. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!